Hello everybody and welcome back to another edition of the Forex Market Preview. As you can see, no me today, and that's because when I went down yesterday to start the Forex Market Preview video and get it all ready to go, I realized that my new $4,000 computer didn't want to start. And it turns out it has a bad power cell in it or whatever. So the good news is HP is shipping me one overnight that'll be here tomorrow, but it doesn't do any good for us today on a Sunday, a very cold Sunday here in Kansas City, by the way. But what we're going to go ahead and do today, I thought, well, what can I talk about today? Well, I get a lot of questions about what charting package I use. Every single video, if I don't mention it, every video, somebody asks me, hey, what software are you using there? So what I thought I would do this week is I've got a couple of trades I'm going to show you that I'll using a platform that I execute on, and I'm also going to show you my list of the top trading packages available today. Now, keep in mind, we're just talking about charting, just the technical aspect of it. I'm not talking about the brokers or, I'm just talking specifically about the charting itself. And so what I would do, what you're looking at now is the Thinkorswim platform from TD Ameritrade. Now, I think you have to be a U.S. customer to actually use this, so for many of you it won't matter. But a lot of you guys see me trading or see me do analysis every week off of a different platform, and I do a lot of training on that platform as well. But this is actually the platform that I execute all of my trades on, and I'll talk more about this here in a minute. But I want to just go ahead. I'm just going to scoot over to the list here, and we're going to start at the beginning. The number one on the list is eSignal. Now, this is the charting package. For all of you guys out there who continue to ask me, I'm finally going to redirect you to a video. This is the charting package that I use for all of my analysis, for all of the training that I do. This is, in my opinion, the absolute best charting package on the market today. It is phenomenal in terms of what you can do with it, and it is unmatched with any other charting package that I have found. Now, there are downsides to it in terms of coding software and the expense that comes with it, and the fact that this is just charting, so there's no brokerage attached to this. A lot of you guys think in terms of, oh, well, a charting package has some sort of broker with it. What broker has what charting package? This is simply charting. And if you go to the partners page, you're going to be able to see their brokerage partners. I'll just click on it here. This is a list of all the brokers who you can assign. So FXCM, Gain Capital, Global Futures, Infinity Futures, Interactive Brokers, Lightspeed, MB Trading. All of these guys have APIs written that will sync your account with eSignal charting, so you can go ahead and trade from the charts and do all of those things that you like to do on a charting package that is superior to whatever that particular broker might be offering you. So this is absolutely my number one choice for charting package. It runs, I think, for the Pro package, which is what I would get if I was getting it, runs about $170 a month, $150 a month when you pay for the data. And some of the brokers will give you free data if you open up an account with them. But that's the number one. The second one, the disadvantage of this, the one thing I don't like about it is their trade from the chart feature is much, much better than it used to be, but it's not as good as, say, a product like NinjaTrader, which is number 2 on my list. Now, the reason NinjaTrader comes in number 2 and not number 1 is simply because of some of the automatic controls. Like if I want to do 360 charting and some of that type of stuff, I have to hold down a key on my keyboard. So it is just, I'm talking like a half step lower in terms of its functionality from eSignal, but it is just a half a step lower. Now, the benefit of NinjaTrader above eSignal is that it's absolutely free until you decide to trade live. So as you're going through your demo accounts, as you're trading, and all of those types of things, you're going to be able to use this platform, get used to it before you have to start spending a monthly fee on it. Now, the good thing about NinjaTrader is that the monthly fee is only $50 a month instead of $150 a month. So it's actually really, really nice. And this there's a lot of partner support here. Here's the here's a list of the brokers. just a ton of brokers here that it will connect up with. Now, I have heard some of you guys who are in some odd areas of the world. You may not. There's only a couple of brokers in here that you could broker with, and that's the trade-off. Is I'm just showing you again the charting package. So you're going to have to look in your own home country and find out whether or not this is something that you could actually use or not. Third on my list is Thinkorswim. This is the platform that I execute on. I really, really like it. It offers me not only the ability to trade currencies, but also options and stocks, and I can have my entire portfolio, not just my trading portfolio, but my investment portfolios and everything else in one place with a nice charting package. Now, again, trade from the charts, stuff like that is really not, this is not a very good product for that. It's not for short-term day traders and things like that. This is not, it's very, very hard. I would not want to be trying to execute. I would have to become a lot more proficient at the platform in terms of executing trades to be day trading on this platform. But for the swing trader, for the position trader, for somebody who's in America who doesn't like the fact that they've got, part of their portfolio here and part of their portfolio there and having to log into different accounts all the time, this is a place where you can go that has a really nice charting package. And I'll get more in detail with this when I show you the 2 trades that I have for this week for you. All right, third on the list is Multicharts. It's a good charting package. Multicharts is a great option for you guys. I have tested this package. I traded with it for a little while. Like I said, it does come with a monthly fee, and I would pick NinjaTrader over Multicharts. Although Multicharts is, like I said, nothing wrong with that. Number 5 on the list here is Metastock. Now, Metastock is a Reuters product, and it integrates with some of their other stuff. I purchased and I have a subscription to the Reuters Econ product that gives me news and more information on some of the other more, I guess, exotic products that I look at from time to time. But mostly I get it for the news because I like to see what's going on, and I like to have just a strictly, and Reuters has a really good news feed. So, but Metastock is a nice little product. It's a couple of $100 a month, so it's really designed more for the investor. They really lean more towards the institutional side, but I know it's a valuable product out there. It's a good product, and if you haven't had a chance to look at it, it's worth having a look. Last but not least is Metatrader 4. You guys are very familiar with this. I don't need to go over it, but I get a lot of questions about why do you not like Metatrader? And I don't like Metatrader for a bunch of reasons. Number one is we write a lot of systems code and do a lot of systems development, and protecting that code and protecting our intellectual property in Metatrader is very, very difficult. I don't like the charting. It comes along the line. It's very, very difficult to do some of the type of advanced charting that I like to do. I know it can all be done in there. It's like, yes, you can draw Fibonacci's in Metastock. You can do support and resistance levels in Metastock. You can collapse and expand charts in Metastock, but it's not as user-friendly as something like eSignal. But if you're totally new, you don't have any budget for this, you're just getting started in your trading business, and you want something that's going to give you some good chart, it's going to give you charts and let you see what's happening in the market, and you don't mind a little bit of frustration in having to manipulate the charts, then there's nothing wrong with Metatrader as a beginner. But I would say, as soon as you're ready to take the plunge and you're ready to commit and draw that line in the sand and say, hey, I want to be a professional trader, I would definitely recommend jumping up to NinjaTrader, because every single person I have ever talked to who was trading on Metatrader and said, I really didn't want to change, it looked like a big hassle, it was such a pain, but then once they get over there, they send me an email like, man, this is so great, I had no idea that NinjaTrader was such a versatile platform, and I love it now, I'm never going back. And so that's why I say, it's worth taking a look at, because it really is a top-of-the-line platform. Now, full disclosure. Here's my full disclosure. Nobody pays me for any of this. I don't have any agreements with eSignal or NinjaTrader or Thinkorswim or any of the other products that I talked about. I wish I did. If I did, I would absolutely, if I could exploit it, it's not like I haven't tried. I have contacted eSignal, I've contacted NinjaTrader, Thinkorswim, and asked them to financially reimburse me for the endorsement, and none of them are real excited to do that. So that's fine. I'm still going to give my endorsement, because my job, of course, is to put out the best quality information to you that I can, and these are absolutely the best charting packages available to you, or in my opinion, in the market today. Now, let's take a look at a couple of trades. I'm just going to show you two of them, and these are, like I said, they're higher time frame trades, but the first one here is on Euro Pound, and what we have here is a potential Gartley Pattern, and that Gartley Pattern is going to come in at a 127 extension around here at 83.23, so we're looking to short at 83.23 on a Gartley Pattern, and I'm just going to show you this by drawing in a little bit of trend line action so that I can draw in exactly what this thing looks like. And as you can see as I'm drawing on this, it's just not quite as user-friendly, is it? You know, you can see that, hey, it's a great product. I mean, the charts are awesome, but I got to keep coming back up here to go back to my pan button. But there's your Gartley Pattern. It comes in, we sell the 127 extension at 83.23, and we look for targets down here. Oh, the first one will come in somewhere around 82.67s, I think. But again, Advanced Pattern Trader course, for those of you guys who, that's my plug for today. If you guys are not Advanced Pattern Traders, you see this stuff every week, and you're like, yeah, I got to be able to do that. Advanced Pattern Trader course is freaking cheap. And it'll teach you everything you need to know about pattern trading. The second one here, if I can grab the stinking thing, is on dollar yen. Now we're getting a little bit of a pullback here, but we have a bit of a cipher pattern setting up here. I'm going to show you what this looks like as well. All right, come on down, and I'll grab my line tool again. Whoop, to there. And we go back to there, and then it breaks down, and then the market breaks back up. Now we haven't broken back up yet. 786 is going to come in somewhere around there. Draw the Fibonacci retracement in. Swing high to swing low. And you will see that I was dead on with my Fibonacci drawing there. The 786 comes in at 103.98. 103.98, that's right underneath the 104 handle. That will be your shorting opportunity. You can see a little bit of structure back here around that level. So it's going to be a good place to potentially short. Now the market's taken a nosedive. I've already have orders in on this. The market's gone ahead and fallen off just a little bit. So we'll have to wait and see whether or not this thing will pop back up again. But it is an option for next week, and it's something to keep on your radar. So a couple of trades, a couple of pattern trades there, and then of course a list of the best charting packages that I'm aware of. Naturally, I want to hear your comments, what you think, and don't forget to hit the like button and the share button. And if you have any questions or comments or concerns, or you're interested in any of the products or the other stuff that we work on here, then please give an email to fxsupport@tradeempowered.com, and the team of friendly and helpful people here at the Trade Empowered offices will be more than happy to assist you. Until next time, guys, good luck and good trading. I'll talk to you soon.